This is the tutorial on how to manage stock adjustments on RenalGenie. But before that, do not forget to like our YouTube channel, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Part 1. View the stock adjustments list and its details. To begin, go to Inventory module by clicking on the Inventory button at the top menu bar. Click on Stocks and then Stock Adjustment from the sidebar. User will be able to see the list of stock adjustments where user are able to filter the list accordingly. User may click on this arrow here to expand and view the details of this stock adjustment record. Part 2. Add, edit, and delete stock adjustment. To add a new stock adjustment record, click on this plus icon and the system will open up Add Stock Adjustment page. Specify comment here if required and proceed to select the stock item that require adjustment. Enter the adjust quantity here. Select the reason of adjustment and then click on Add Item to Stock Adjustment List button. Repeat the same steps to add more items into the stock adjustment list. Once user completed adding the items to the list, click Save to proceed. User will be redirected to the stock adjustment list with the message that stock adjustment has been added. Pay attention that the newly added stock adjustments is in draft status. To edit stock adjustment, click on arrow here to expand the details and proceed with clicking on the Edit button. System will open the Edit Stock Adjustment page to allow the user to make necessary changes. Once user are done with the editing, click Save to save the changes and user will again be redirected to the stock adjustment list with the message that stock adjustments has been changed. Now, to delete stock adjustment, click on Delete button here. System prompt a confirmation window, click Delete to proceed. Upon a successful deletion, user will be redirected to the stock adjustment list with the message that stock adjustment has been deleted, and user be able to verify that the selected stock adjustment list is no longer on the list. Part 3. Approve stock adjustment. To approve stock adjustment, click on Approve. System will prompt Approve Stock Adjustment confirmation window, where user are given the insight on how the adjustment will impact changes on the stock quantity. Click on Approve Stock Adjust button to proceed. And upon the successful operation, user is redirected to the stock adjustment record list with the message that the stock adjustment has been approved. Thank you for watching.